How to start your Faceless YouTube channel. Firstly, you already have a YouTube account as you're watching this video. All you have to do is just to activate that account. Next thing you're going to be doing is to pick a niche. So it could be entertainment, it could be religion, it could be movie reaction, it could be news, anything that you just pick that niche. And ChatGPT to suggest different channels name for you, and you're going to pick any of the one that attract you. Then next thing you're going to be doing is to create a banner and a like profile picture. So let's talk about how you are going to know what is going to work best for your channel. This is what I did when I started my Faceless channel. I tested the market of YouTube. Like, you need to know what is going to work best on faster for your channel. So this is what I did. I started with two different niche, which is vlog and religion, and I choose the one that actually worked best for me. No matter what time I upload, no matter how I edit that video, it's still going to get views. No matter how the hashtag I put, it's still going to get views. So that is why I keep and I stick to religion. You can actually test the market by choosing two different niches and upload it and see what is going to work best for you. Not on long form content. You are going to be uploading it on short form content first for just like a week and see what is going to work best for you. You will get. And also the most important thing about this is also your hashtag. Okay, your hashtag let's just make sure that your hashtag is relevant to that particular content you are uploading. So let's talk about how I got my first 1K subscriber. I tested the market. I started uploading the one that actually worked best for me, the one I see that whenever I upload, it's going to get more views. No matter how I upload, no matter the time I upload it, keep on getting more views. So I keep on uploading that. That is how I got my first 1K subscriber. It was not even up to a month that I got my 1K subscriber. So you can actually do the same thing. I believe it's going to work for you as well. Let's talk about how to get free footage for your Faceless YouTube channel. Personally, I use Pixel to get my free footage, and you can also use YouTube Library to get your background sound. Yes, you can use YouTube Library because it's safe. There's nothing like copyright stuff from the YouTube Library. So just use a sound that correlates with that video that you want to upload on YouTube. That is it. And mind you, make sure you start with short form content first so that you can get your 1K subscriber first. So that's all I did actually to get my 3K subscriber plus right now, and that is it. All you have to do is just to keep uploading, and then the short one that you think is actually getting more view, you make a long form content of that same content. So you're going to see upload a related content when you upload your short form content. That is how people is going to get to click on the long form content, and they get to watch your long form content as well. The different thing this short form content and long form content does is that short form content is going to give you more subscriber, while long form content is going to give you more watch hours. So that is how I did mine, and that's all about how I created my Faceless YouTube channel. Alright guys, that's all. Let me know if it's helpful or not in the comment section. See you.